Welcome to Robin's house. As you can see, I've got my paper pumpkin, and this is the June Full of Charm paper pumpkin that I've got, and I just want to unbox it real quick for you. So I've got a pretty peacock Stampin' Spot, lovely, and this is the stamp set. So looks like we've got some leaves. I like this leaf, and some messages, some floweries. It looks like all the shading is done on there for you, so you don't have to color anything. It says, miss you, thank you, let's celebrate you, happy birthday, and to a wonderful friend. So very nice stamp set. And then we've got everything all, so okay, so this is a quick peek at what we're doing. So very flowery cards. And in here, you have your glue tape. And there are some foam squares in here, some glue dots, and then the some sequin embellishments. We've got 9 envelopes that all are the same. It's nice pattern on them. And then it looks like we're going to have some card bases here. And I think as you take the three, oh, okay, so 3 card bases. Look at this. So this one is very choppable. It's got some gold splats on there on the front and on the back. So if you want to chop that down, you could have 6 cards with those fun gold splats on them. And then we've got these gold stripes that match those envelopes. That's very fun. Again, very easy to cut in half if you really like that design for something. We've got our die cuts. And we've got, ooh, this one's different. So this one's kind of like, it's still got the gold foil on there. Wow, so pretty. But it's like distressed. Very neat. And then we've got some very delicate flower outlines in here. 3 sets of those. And then 3 more sets of die cuts with these pretty flowers and some pretty leaves. So these outlines, I'm going to guess, go on top of here. So you can decide if you want to keep it as this delicate watercolor flower, or if you rather put this overlay on there and have it a much more significant design, right? So that is our June paper pumpkin. It's called Full of Charm. And if you need a refill kit, those are available online now. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.